Step 1. Locate a parking spot. Angled parking spots are most common in high-traffic areas, so spots may come and go quickly. Look for spaces between cars or other drivers who are preparing to leave. You'll commonly find angled parking spots in commercial lots, multi-level garages, and busy side streets. Step 2. Put on your turn signal and check for traffic. Using your turn signal will tell the cars behind you why you're slowing down and prevent anyone else from trying to park in your spot. Always check for traffic, pedestrians, and other potential obstacles, even when you're just parking. Step 3. Turn into the spot carefully. Start turning into the spot when your mirrors are even with the line on the side nearest you. When in doubt, go slowly rather than quickly to avoid overshooting the spot or crashing. Step 4. Finish pulling into the spot. Continue turning until the front of your car is in line with the cars next to you. Come to a stop at the line, curb, or wall that marks the spot, being careful not to bump into anything and damage the front of your car. Step 5. Put your car into park. Keep your foot on the brake until you're securely parked. If you're parking on an incline, pull the parking brake to prevent your car from rolling down the hill. Backing out. Step 1. Put the car in reverse. If you're using the parking brake, don't forget to disengage the parking brake before driving. Step 2. Check behind you for cross traffic. Cross traffic may be hard to see in an angled spot, so you can also back out slowly and check again for oncoming traffic. Don't start backing out fully until you're sure no one is approaching. Step 3. Pull straight out the parking spot slowly. Don't start turning the wheel yet, or you might hit the cars beside you. Check again for oncoming traffic once your line of sight is clear, and stop if you see another car coming. They have the right of way. Step 4. Turn the wheel once you're halfway out of the spot. Turn the same way you turned into the spot. Angled sports are meant to be exited the same way they were entered. Turning your wheel the wrong way will force a much sharper turn. Aim for a smooth, loose arc, and reverse until your car is on the road, pointed straight ahead. Step 5. Shift your car into drive and rejoin the flow of traffic. Before you start moving, make sure your steering wheel is straightened and not pointing into the parking spot. Keep an eye out for nearby drivers exiting their parking spots. Watch your speed until you're out of the parking lot or garage.